We have a follow-up now to the 350,000 worker shortage in Iowa's child care industry. Last night it was a mother's petition to make it legal for 15-year-olds to work in child care. Tonight, WHO 13's Kaylin Thompson brings us another mother who thinks it's ridiculous a minor drug offense carries the same punishment as physical child abuse in this industry.
Yeah, Darcy Outland broke the law. She got a marijuana conviction that forced her out of child care for 5 years because of another law that she calls unfair.
Toddlers have a way of keeping parents busy.
Can you draw that?
But time has a way of dragging on when you're not able to do what you love.
Felt like I was literally pushed off of my path.
This mom of one had a job of taking care of more children than just her own as a child care worker at a center. But that changed when authorities found drug paraphernalia and a small amount of marijuana in her car.
I was like, what do I do now? That was me. I loved my job. I loved getting up. I loved going in there. I loved helping these little people figure out what they're doing. And that was the worst part, is losing myself.
Outland was working in a field that desperately needs people right now. But a code in Chapter 109 from the Department of Human Services prohibits anyone from working in child care for 5 years if they have a conviction of a controlled substance or founded child abuse that was determined to be physical abuse. It's a comparison some parents don't think is right.
Anything that makes it more difficult to let great people teach and take care of children seems to me to be problematic and unfair.
While other parents believe people with past offenses like those shouldn't work in child care at all. Outland knows this impacts more people than her, and she plans to reapply to be a child care worker again when her 5 years expire in May of next year, hoping to fill a gap so many families are feeling.
Really, we do need a lot more great child care, and I'm sure there's a lot of great people out there, and if they're being judged by frankly the worst thing that they've ever done, who amongst us hasn't done something they regret? And I think to be punished like that unfairly seems pretty unfair to me.
A spokesperson from the governor's office said in a statement that the governor is looking at anything and everything to expand access to affordable child care in the state, including expanding the workforce to 15-year-olds. However, that spokesperson did not comment on this current law.
Meaning the substance law.
Yes, correct.
All right. Thanks so much, Kaylin. We know you'll follow up on this.